Tired of your AI-generated content sounding, well, like it's written by a robot? Let's dive into QuillBot, a widely used paraphrasing tool. First, paste your AI-generated text into the input box. QuillBot offers several modes, each designed for a different level of rephrasing. Standard mode balances accuracy and fluency, while creative mode aims for a more unique output. Experiment with these modes to find the one that best suits your needs. After selecting your mode, hit the Paraphrase button and review the suggested changes. On the right, you can further refine specific words or phrases by clicking on them and choosing alternatives. Now, let's explore Undetectable AI. Similar to QuillBot, you paste your text into the input box. However, Undetectable AI focuses specifically on making AI-generated text sound more human and bypass AI detection. After pasting your text, click the Humanize button. Undetectable AI will rewrite your text, focusing on sentence structure and word choice to mimic human writing style. Once processed, you can copy the humanized text and, for added assurance, run it through an AI content detector. You can then verify the human score has improved. Pricing is a key consideration. QuillBot offers a free plan with limited features and paraphrasing length. Their premium plans unlock more modes, longer paraphrasing capabilities, and plagiarism checks. Undetectable AI also offers a free trial, but its paid plans are structured around word count usage. So choose the tool that aligns with your content volume and budget.